So, hi everyone. KK, say hi.
Hi.
So this is my 2 going on 3-year-old, and I've just gotten tired of her. I've just gotten tired of her. Okay. So I've just gotten tired of her constantly. Can you be quiet for a second? Do you want to say something?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
Nails.
What?
Nails.
Okay. So I've just gotten tired of her just trying her damnedest to find my nail polish, polish her nails. Last night, I woke up in the middle of the night to give my other daughter a bottle, and I found all of my Mylar all over the ground. So today, I just decided, you know what? Why don't I just do a video with her, and she just make her own nails? Does that sound like fun? Do you want to make your own nails?
Yeah.
All right, let's make our own nails. Yay! Okay, first we gotta pick out our colors.
Yay, coffee.
Okay, pick out a color, KK.
Brown.
You want brown nails?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So you want this?
Yeah.
Okay, pick out another color.
Green.
All right. Those are cute. These are kind of cute. These are cute. Cute colors. Okay.
Okay, what did you do?
Yeah.
Oh, Mama, I see the second nails.
Okay, so we got our little colors. So she picked out, oh, what was that? So she picked out brown and green, which is cute, that's cute. And pink and white. So that's what we're doing. So, all right, we're gonna try some things. Okay, KK, you ready?
Yeah.
Here's your nails. You're gonna polish these, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Purple. I want to do
green. Here you go.
Okay.
Now polish these nails. Polish these right here.
Okay, yeah.
Amazing, amazing. Okay, do the other one.
Oh, okay. Ew.
Yeah, keep going.
Ew.
Okay, polish that one.
Yeah.
So pretty. You are so good. Okay, you want the brown one?
Yeah.
Okay.
And one. Yep. Okay, I want the brown one.
Okay, polish those.
Okay.
Do you want to do like polka dots?
Yeah.
Okay, keep polishing.
Whoa.
Beautiful. Okay, let me see. Now let's do polka dots.
Okay, I want to do polka dots.
Okay, first we gotta put this in our lid. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, sorry.
Okay, now let's make mommy's nails.
Okay, now I do this one.
Okay, what color is this? This is green. No, we wanted the pink ones for mommy's nails. Okay.
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 Okay, now it's started with white.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, now polish on pink.
Okay, now get polish my pink.
Amazing. So pretty. What? How about go like this, KK? Go like this. Like that. Oh, okay. Do your own thing. That's cool too. Do this one.
Okay.
So pretty.
Ooh, you guys. Mama, ooh, this is okay. Ooh. So pretty.
Okay, do the next one.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is so good. You know, I think you're ready for an ombre. You want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, so do this one, and then we'll put ombre on my thumb, okay?
Okay.
Okay, do the next one. Nope, 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 do this one.
Okay.
Okay, we need some more polish. We need more polish.
Okay, now okay, Mama, is it that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we gotta finish the thumb. Okay. Okay, let me see. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, let's cook it. Cook it, cook it. Oh, they're so pretty. Okay, so now.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
They're so pretty.
Yeah, let me help you do this part, okay?
Okay.
All right.
No. Do pink, Mama.
I am gonna do pink. We gotta do this fun part.
Okay, Mama. Oh, this green. Can I have it?
Yeah.
Okay. I will start it.
Okay. Now, wait. Take this
Okay.
and swirl the colors together. Mix the colors. No, right here. It's right here. Right there. This one. Mix these two. Mix them together.
Okay.
No, KK, look. Go like this. Ooh.
Ooh, it's superhero.
Oh, it's a superhero. So cool.
Now let's try green.
Now you want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
What color is this, Mama?
That is a dotting tool, KK.
Oh, that is starting to.
Yes. And we gotta add some white. Nope, not you. Okay, mix those together.
Okay.
Mix them. No, not on the table. Right here. You're doing good. Look, go like this. You do it.
So fat.
So pretty. Okay, now let's polish the last one.
Okay, Mama, can I have it? Mom?
Yeah, here.
Okay, now.
No, polish this one.
Okay.
All right, good job. They're so pretty. Let me see.
Okay, let's put it in now.
All right, yep, let's put them in. Okay, so our Minnie Mouse nails. Let's do this big one white.
Big one pie. Big one white.
Yeah.
Okay, can I have one?
Yes. Do this one.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Ooh, these are so pretty ones, Mama.
Yeah, they're gonna be so pretty. I'm so proud. You want? Let me hold it for you. Are these mommy's nails?
Yeah.
Oh, can you finish this side? Beautiful.
Okay, now the back one.
Now we're gonna do polka dots.
Okay, I'm gonna do polka dots too.
Okay, let's do polka dots.
Okay, now
Okay, now.
Okay, can I have it now?
Now put dots on the pink ones. Boop, boop. Okay, do this one. Well, it's supposed to be polka dots. It's supposed to be polka dots, but okay. It's your artwork. It's pretty. Okay, what about this one? Let's put some more white on there.
Oh, Mama.
Oh, Kiki. Now look, go like this.
Okay.
Boop, boop.
Mama, can I have it now?
Yes, you do it.
Okay.
I think it is art, and it's beautiful. Very creative. Interpretive art. Mm-hmm.
This one?
Yeah, that's interpretive. I love it. Yeah. What about the other ones? What about these? My little baby fingers. No. On my baby finger. I really like it. You know, kittens, I think it's artistic. You know, a little Picasso. And then
Okay,
you just
put it on the milk.
Okay, all right, we gotta cook them. Okay, now you ready for the top coat? Oh, all right, we just added more stuff then.
Yep, Mama.
Yep, I think they are beautiful. Okay, now let's put our top coat on.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. How about that?
No, we put on this.
Okay, now you
Put your top coat on. Your nails are so pretty. They're beautiful. Okay, let me see. We gotta put some more on there. The shiny top coat.
This one?
No, this one.
This
one in my hand. Here you go. Here you go.
Thank you.
Okay, do this one. All right, I like your technique. Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, how about this one? How about this one, Mama? Okay, let me do that. And that mouse. Where'd the mouse go?
We're almost done, KK. You did amazing. Now we gotta put the nails on.
Okay, now.
Ooh, here's the finished look. You know, some green, clear jelly vibes. Made completely by my 2-year-old. And don't worry, they pop right back off. And I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you next time. KK, come back. Hey, say hi.
Hi.
Come back over here, KK.